In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create word cloud generator, word cloud image for free. So basically, I will be showing you a word cloud generator that is completely free where you can create your design. So you can choose any design, but they offer you some of those designs for free. But if you want to use your own, you can use a tool like Canva where you get many more options. So let's say you want a cat, you can go to element on Canva and then type in cat right here, cat, and then you will go to Illustrator and then choose any of them. Let's say you want to choose that one, and then you can, let me delete this, you can just add this right here, and then you click share, download, and then after you download it, make sure you bring it right here. So I'm not going to use the cat one because I think they had a lot of them for free on wordcloud.com. So I will come right here. First I will import my words. So what I did is that I went to ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT for 20 words of type of frog. So I'm going to change it to cat. So I'm going to ask it for 20 type of cat instead of frogs, cat breed. So ChatGPT is very helpful just to come up with those words. As you could see, it gave me the list right here. I'm going to copy those cat breed and then come back right here. So here's the question: how you add those words to word cloud? Well, you go right here, you click on words, and then you can, if you already had some words that you didn't like, you can click on edit and then you remove them. I'm just going to delete those right here. Delete. I'm just going to delete all this right here, and then I'm just going to add new one. So I'm going to click on words again. I'm just going to use words from text. Just copy and paste the one from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to remove those space right here and make sure it's very clear out all those space in between. So remove all those space. So right here I already remove all those space. I only have the cat name right here. So there's an option that you can check. It will clear all those space right here. I didn't saw that. So now I will click on apply. As you could see, beautiful, all those words of those cat name already showed up right here. And next I will change the font. Click right here on, let me show you, I forgot. Click right here on font, and then when you come right here, you had many font. You can choose many type of font in the design. You can choose one font for all these words, and then you can choose 4-5 font, different type of font between all these words. So for that one, I'm going to change that font right here to something more comical, and I think this right here, I like that one, like handwriting stuff. Select, and then now I have 2 font and one bold, one handwriting, and then one the tiny font, and then click apply. After I click apply, I'm going to close this right here, as you could see, and the next thing I will do is change the background. So I will go to file and then word cloud background, and then go right here on background and then click on this tiny thing and then change it to blue. I'm just going to with a maybe a dark blue, and then I'm just going to I'm just going to click right here to select it, and then click right here to apply, and then close it. And then next I will choose the shape of the design. But first, if you look at the top right here, you can check how big you want the road to come from the design. So the less you choose, the more word that will appear. As you can see, you can see all the cat name. If you make it big, you might see only 8 or 9 of the cat's name because it's too big. But If you want all the list of the road to appear, you're going to have to choose. I want 12 is enough. 12, I like to keep it 12 so I can see. Maybe it's 15. No, maybe, sorry, I think 12 is good. 13. So now they show you all those names. So now how you add the cat shape? Well, in order to add the shape of the cat, you have to go right here. You click on, let me change the background. It's too light. I'm going to make the background a little bit darker, more darker than this. Also, we're just going to drag this dark blue and then apply. There we go. I think this one look beautiful now. So in order to change the shape, you have to go right here on shapes right here, and then you can choose on select shape, or you can choose on shapes option. So if you click on shapes option, draw shape mask, and if you choose this, it will put all the words inside the shape. If you click invert shape mask, it will put the words outside of the shape. So I want the word to be inside of the shape. So next, I will click on shapes. I will click on select shape, and as you will see, they give you a lot of shapes right here. Basketball. I'm going to choose cat. I'm pretty sure they got cat. There we go. And then they got all the cats right here. So I think I'm going with that one right here, which is less complicated. And then I'm just going to, if you want to control the position inside, select shape. I'm just going to click on shape shifter, and I don't like that. I don't think I like that one. Cancel. I'm just going to choose the one without the shape shifter cats, and then I'm just going to first option, default. There you go. As you could see right here, it's already look good now. And before I download it, I will remove the background so I can see only the design. So I think I will zoom the roads more so the roads can fill all the cat, all the body part of the cat. As you could see, all of them will fill with all the words. There we go. I think I like that one better. I like it like that better. So I would forget to mention that there's an option to repeat the words. So I think this one is way better. When you repeat all the words, it will make it look better and it will fill up all those blank space. So now I can drag this down to lower. Maybe I can leave it to maybe 15. I think that was the issue that I tried to fix. There you go. Now it fill up everything right here with all your words. So now how you change the color of these words right here. So if you want to change the color of those words, you have to go to file, words background, and then words color right here. And then I'm just going to change this color to maybe to a red or orange. Let me try orange. Apply. Oops, that look really good. So now I will leave it like this and close. I like those color right here. And for the background, I will choose transparent background. I don't want the blue background. So if you want the transparent background, you will choose on, click on transparent right here, and then click on apply. As you could see, it turns to transparent background, and then close it. And then now I have my design right here. So there is a lot more stuff that you can do to make it more interesting, but as of now I'm satisfied with the result, and I'm just going to download this project. So when you want to download it, just click on file right here and then click on save as image, but make sure you click on HD. SD means standard resolution and HD means high resolution. So I need high resolution. I'm going to click on HD, and then be careful right here. So if you download it as JPEG, you will not get the image without the background. But if you download it as a PNG, you will have the image without background, which is what we need. And then I'm going to name it Cat Wordcloud, Cat Wordcloud, and then PNG, and then click on save, and then it will download it. Sometimes the ads be showing up, so I'm just going to download it again without all these ads, and PNG, and then save, and then click on download at the bottom right here. As you can see at the bottom, you will see download. Just click on it, and then you will download right here. Remember, ignore those one are ads, they're not real, and the real download is at the bottom right here, so remember that. And then when you're done, when you see the download up here, you can close this right here. And then now I'm going to create a mockup to see how it looks. I'm going to Canva again, so I'm going to search for t-shirt mockup to check how the design will look on those mockup. And then I'm going to choose this one right here from Canva, and then I'm going to customize this template. And then for the design, I'm going to remove all those squares, and then I'm going to upload my design, my cat design. Here's right here, and then open, and then there you go. Here's my design right here, and then here's how it would look on a t-shirt. Very good. Right here, you can place it right here. I think it look pretty cool, right? And then it will even look better if I choose a black t-shirt, like something like that one. Let's see how it look on a black t-shirt. Oh, my design is right here. Oh my lord, this look really nice on a black t-shirt. As you can see, make it a little bit smaller. There you go. So if you guys want to learn how this stuff work or have any question, you can join my Skool community. And then yeah, this is the final result, and then I'm just going to download this mockup right here and then post it as my thumbnail. There you go. This is how you create a word cloud image using wordcloud.com and Canva. If you want to learn more, guys, you can subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload. Until next video, I'm out.